Welcome to our deep dive into the dramatic and pivotal closing chapters of the Gospel of Luke, where the tension of prophecy meets the triumph of resurrection. Buckle up as we unravel the mysteries and profound teachings from chapters 21 to 24, bringing these ancient stories to life with fresh clarity. In chapter 21, we kick off with Jesus issuing a sobering prophecy. He predicts the destruction of Jerusalem and shares signs of the end times, urging his followers to stay vigilant. Echoing through the ages is Luke 21:36. Be always on the watch, and pray that you may be able to escape all that is about to happen. This call to watchfulness sets the tone for what is to come. In chapter 22, the plot thickens. Jesus shares the Passover meal with his disciples, instituting what we know today as the Lord's Supper. He tells them, "Do this in remembrance of me," found in Luke 22:19, reminding them and us of the significance of his imminent sacrifice. Betrayal lurks in the shadows as Judas agrees to betray Jesus, leading to Jesus' arrest in the Garden of Gethsemane. A poignant moment resonates as Jesus prays, "Father, if you are willing, take this cup from me, yet not my will but yours be done." Luke 22:42, illustrating his human vulnerability and divine obedience. The drama continues in chapter 23 as Jesus faces trial before Pilate and Herod, only to be sentenced to crucifixion.
The drama continues in chapter 23 as Jesus faces trial before Pilate and Herod, only to be sentenced to crucifixion.
On the cross, his compassion shines as he compassionately forgives those crucifying him, with the memorable words, "Father, forgive them, for they do not know what they are doing." Luke 23:34. This chapter closes with Jesus' death and burial, shrouded in sorrow yet inaugurating hope. Finally, chapter 24 unveils the exhilarating climax, Jesus' resurrection. The empty tomb discovered by Winnan, his appearance on the road to Emmaus, and to his disciples bring disbelief into faith. In Luke 24:6, the angelic message, "He is not here, he has risen," rings out the triumph of life over death. This chapter ends with Jesus' ascension to heaven, commissioning his followers to spread the gospel message. From prophecy to parting words, these chapters invite us into a story of betrayal and forgiveness, despair and hope. A narrative not just of ancient times, but of enduring truth, urging us to be vigilant, faithful, and ever watchful. Stay curious, stay inspired as you continue your journey into the heart of these powerful words.